Hello, and this is my review of the James Hetfield signature EMG pickups. I'm going to be using my own tones and then later going on to some Metallica tones just to test how they work with Metallica tones. I've had them for about a month now, but I want to review them and show you guys. So I'll just give a small review real quick. I put them in my Jackson Kelly. And they sound amazing. They're the best pickups I've ever used. And if you are a Metallica fan, it's definitely worth spending the time and money to do, because it did take a few hours to put them in, but it was way easier than if I got a different set of pickups like Fishman Fluence pickups or something like that. It would take so much longer to put those in than it did these. Plus, if you already installed EMGs before, they're like the same, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, let's just get straight into the sound test. With all of them, I'm gonna go from the neck pickup, middle, and then bridge. I'm gonna do rhythm, then clean, then lead. As you can hear, these pickups are perfect for any clean tones, rhythm tones, like if you want to go fast or really slow. They're perfect for both of those. Fast stuff like wah, it sounds great with this. So if you want to get Kirk's tones too, these are great for that, but Kirk obviously has cheaper ones that are his own signatures. But yeah, these pickups are great. So let me go over to some Metallica tones to test them out. Forgot that solo. But yeah, so that was just a bunch of testing for Metallica tones and just a bunch of other stuff. So let me play with that tone I had on earlier. Let me play a little bit more rhythm so you can just get a little bit more of an idea of how these sound for rhythm stuff that James does. So